Seeing here blue tint or bluish screen on Windows 10 or Windows 11? Don't worry, this is a common issue and these fixes from real Reddit users have helped thousands of people. Let's fix it guys. Just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select accessibility, on right side select color filters and you just need to make sure to turn off this color filters and scroll down and keyboard shortcut for color filters, just turn it off as well and then just close it off here. If that didn't work, try this next fix. You just need to go to search menu and type settings and go to system and select display and turn off the night light and click on the night light settings. Set this strength to 0, then just close stuff here. If that didn't work, try the next fix. Replace or reset HDMI and display cable. A loose or damaged HDMI cable can remove the red channel and turn the whole screen blue. Make sure the cable is plugged in tight or try a different cable and a different port. If that didn't work, try the next fix. HDR glitches are also common on Windows. Go to search menu and type settings, click on system and select display. Select this HDR to turn off and then just close stuff here. If that didn't work, try the next fix. Now let's reset the GPU driver. Press in Windows key and X key together to open up this menu and select here device manager. In here you just need to expand the display adapter section. Right click on the GPU and select uninstall device option. Check mark this attempt to remove the driver for this device as well. And then select uninstall. After doing this, just need to restart your PC guys. If that didn't work, try the next fix. You just need to open your monitor's on-screen menu using the buttons on the monitor and go to menu and go to picture. On right side you can able to see color. Just select the color and set the color to normal and then just setting it, go back and go to eye care, eye saver mode, just turn it off and if you have cool mode you just need to turn it off as well. If that didn't work, try this next fix. You just need to press in Windows key and R key together in your keyboard and type here color CPL and click on OK and this will open the color management. And here you just need to click on the drop down and select your monitor and uncheck this use my settings for this device option. And if you have profiles listed, then you just need to remove all the color profiles and then just to close stuff here and restart your PC. And that's it guys. These are the fixes that worked for most of people on Reddit. Try them in order. One of them almost always solves the blue tint issue. If you want a video for any other Windows problem, let me know.